I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, it is starting to cool off a little bit here, and I'm telling you, nothing is better in this kind of weather than some good old soup, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm just going to make a big old honking pot of some vegetable beef soup. I'm going to just show you how simple it is to throw this one together. I love it with beef, with roast beef, but we're going to do it with some hamburger. It's delicious this way too. And so I got all my little ingredients here. Me some vegetables. Now I add a little okra in mine. Honey, it's your soup. If you don't want okra, don't do it. But we have always added okra to ours. Mama always put a little okra in it. We got some fresh tomatoes and a little Lipton, little potatoes, little onions. So I'm going to show you how I do my quick little vegetable soup, because it's almost supper time and we are getting hungry, aren't we, Russell?
Absolutely.
We hungry. I've already got my cornbread cooked, y'all. So you know this ain't going to take too long.
I hope not, because I'm smelling the cornbread.
The cornbread is smelling good. I was very tempted to get me a little piece of it, a little sliver. And anyway, but let's get this soup cooking, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm going to start with just a little drizzle of olive oil, because we're going to start cooking these onions, just getting all that flavor out of these onions. I got my little chopper here. Y'all know how I love this little doodad. I'm going to in we go with those onions. Yummy, yummy. They just instantly smell good when they hit the pot. Get all this goodness out over here. Y'all, I absolutely hate to see the summertime go. Everybody that knows me knows I'm a summer girl. I like the beach. I like all the things. I love canning. I love them fresh vegetables. But the one thing we can look forward to in with fall here is some good old food. Some of that soups and chicken and dumplings and all the good things, y'all. Thanksgiving, all those good foods. So, soup it is going to be today. We're going to get just a little taste of fall today. Not that you can't enjoy soup all year round, but it just kind of hits your soul when it's chilly outside or raining. I love soup when it's raining. Alright, got this stirred around just a little bit. I'm going to add just a little bit of fresh garlic in here real quick. Some garlic. I did press it myself and put it in the jar. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put the hamburger meat in here. And I just got regular old brown beef. I'm just going to mash it up a little bit before I start seasoning it. In we go. I'm going to add just a little bit of water to this, because I like to do that with my hamburger, so it breaks it up real good. Let me get me some water. I'm just going to put this little drizzle of water in there. I like the hamburger meat to be broken up pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning this too. Start getting them flavors going. Alright, we got just some salt. Got us some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Some black pepper. Y'all already know. Some good old black pepper, right, Russell?
Yeah.
Gotta have that. And I'm going to put just a splash of Worcestershire sauce. Just a little bit in there. Now you can put bay leaves in here and let it cook and simmer, and that's good. But this is just something that's going to be real quick, because we are ready for supper.
Yes.
And you can season this however you want. Now, one of my go-to seasonings is some Lipton Beefy Onion. I love this stuff. I really do. I'm going to put one in here and see see what it's looking like. It should only need one. This starts to really get that beef and the onion flavor just to go and throw my stuff out of the way here. And this is, look, just this quick. It's just super. It's coming together.
Smelling fantastic.
It is. All right, now I'm gonna put my little potatoes in here, and I've just diced about 3 or 4 potatoes. I'll go ahead and put those in here. Now you don't have to add potatoes. We have always added potatoes. It's like the okra. We just always did it. I like the extra potatoes in it, but if you don't, these little frozen vegetables, well, these don't have it, so I'm adding it. Some of the frozen vegetables do. It's according to what you got. I just got some mixed vegetables. It's got carrots, green beans, corn, and peas. And like I said, honey, you can put whatever vegetables you want. It's going to be your soup. I've always added a little corn, or I might add whatever vegetable that we like the most. Now this is a big old 2-pound bag. I think we're just going to go with half of that, because we don't need all of that. We can make two meals out of that one bag. I can make some chicken pot pie or whatever else we want. All right, in goes the good old tomatoes. Hear that pop? Pop. Goodness
Right back to summertime right there, y'all.
Right back. You got that good old fresh tomatoes. Now I've you see it's thick. I'm gonna now add some broth, some beef broth to this, which I did not have ready. So I got to mix up my broth real quick. Let me see if I have one in the pantry. All right, just adding a little bit of broth. Had some broth in the pantry. Yummy. Like I said, we've already got our cornbread ready for this. But I'm telling you, growing up, you might think this is weird, but growing up, we always had a pimento cheese sandwich on the side. You probably think that's weird, don't you, Russell? Yeah.
I didn't eat a lot of pimento cheese growing up.
Yes. I'm going to put my okra in.
Grilled cheese, yes.
Yes, grilled cheese.
With the vegetable soup, that is a... But most of the time in my house, growing up, it was always cornbread. So.
Yeah, always cornbread. But look how it's looking. But I'm telling you, I absolutely love a cold pimento cheese sandwich. Get just a cold pimento cheese sandwich in that hot soup, and I would dump it in that broth, y'all. It'll make you shout. It's good. It's really good, and it get it a little soggy and a little melty. It'd be so good. All right, y'all. That's all it is to it. I am going to let this simmer until my potatoes and my vegetables are just soft and just delicious. So I'll come back in just a few minutes when that starts happening. Y'all, this is smelling good. Look at that. These potatoes are cooking up just right.
Ooh, wee.
Yummy.
We're ready for it.
We are ready.
It looks delicious.
It does, don't it? See how it's starting to thicken up? That okra really helps with that. It's got the thickening agent in that okra. Alright, y'all. I did, y'all probably saw me put the broth in, and it was a little chicken broth because I didn't have no quick beef broth. But it's going to work just fine. Broth is good either way. But you could put either one you want. But I did add the second Lipton packet in here as well. So it's looking right.
It's a big old pot, y'all.
It's the big pot. And it's going to be so good. So good. Look at that. So, a few more minutes, and we are going to get to eat this soup up. We've done sampled a little piece of cornbread because we were hungry.
Yeah.
But we go get ready to salt that cornbread right in it. So, a few more minutes, Russell. Alrighty, y'all. Y'all know what time it is.
Supper time. That's what
Supper
time it is.
time. Yes.
Yeah.
It is. Soup's all ready. Cornbread's ready.
I'm ready.
We're ready. We are hungry, y'all.
Okay.
It's you would think we hadn't ate all day. Lord.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that, yes.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Super simple vegetable beef soup with a little cornbread or whatever.
I hadn't even sampled it.
He hasn't sampled it or whatever you want on the side. He also loves this over rice, don't you?
I do. Yeah.
He likes some rice. Go ahead, Russell.
Well, she's piping.
Treat yourself.
I'm stalling a little bit here, y'all.
It is
Anyway,
hot.
if you know, you know. If you got cornbread, you gotta, you know.
He crumbles it up.
You gotta do what you gotta do here.
I like to dip mine too. I sop it. Y'all know what sopping is? Love sopping it. Especially that pimento cheese sandwich I was telling you about.
There you go, fellas
Get on in there.
and ladies. That's how you do it right there. Probably gonna burn my mouth off, but not too bad.
You ain't too
As
hot?
far as hot, no. And it's delicious.
I was gonna say, not too bad. That's not what we're
Well,
looking for.
I'm talking about heat
Yeah,
burning my mouth.
yeah.
I went ahead and crumbled this up because this is my supper, y'all, and I'm ready to eat it.
That's
And
his bowl.
This is my bowl for supper, and I'm gonna enjoy every
Ain't
bite
play
because it's
around with it.
fantastic. Perfect for this time of year.
It is.
Yeah.
It really is. Like I said, that's the perks of fall for me because I hate to see cooler weather coming sometimes. So, but anyway, little soup in your life.
A little
Get
soup
you a
in your
little
life.
soup in your life, and if you're sick,
Oh, perfect.
makes you feel so much better.
Yeah, right on time.
Right on time. But we both grew up with this kind of meal for supper.
Yes.
But anyway, y'all, I hope you try it.
Yeah.
There's so many variations, you know, for a little vegetable soup.
There is.
But if you don't like it real brothy, you can add you a little tomato paste in there or whatever. But it was perfect for us. We don't need it. We like that sopping.
Yeah.
That
Get in that
pot
cornbread.
liquor.
Yeah, get in that cornbread.
Yes.
Give it all that flavor.
Yes, it is. But anyway, y'all, I hope you try this. Thank y'all so much for watching, for liking, subscribing,
Yes.
for the comments. I absolutely love the comments, and I love when y'all drop your little ideas and say, well, hey, I used to do it this way. My mama did it this way. Try that. I love that. I love the feedback. But anyway, and I do try to answer everybody personally. I've told him, I said, you know, people take the time
Yep.
just out of their day to stop say hello, and so I really work hard on trying to do that. Sometimes I'm a little busy and it might be the end of the day after I get off from work, but anyway, thank y'all so much. And
Yeah.
I do want to say one thing too about our recipes. If you're looking for the recipe, we put every recipe on our channel. If you just hit up under the description, if you just hit more, it'll drop down like magic. So it's always there. If you have any problems, just holler. I'll holler back.
Yep.
But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much. And until next time.